Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, XP-Pen Deco Mini 4 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to change the nibs of the XP-Pen stylus. So, in the box, we have the complete of the nibs. Of course, you can buy the nibs in Amazon or eBay, or I don't know, in the AliExpress. And here you have the nibs. As you can see, I have used tablet, and here I have used nibs too. Oh my gosh, maybe I have new nib. Okay, I have new nibs here too. So here is the new nib for me, and now I want to change it. So our nibs are magnetic, so to take the old nib out, we can use different instruments. So of course we can use pliers, we can use scissors, we can use just simple knife, and so sorry, but sometimes we can use even our teeth. So but I will use a normal piece of paper. So I will use piece of paper to take it in my hand, and it's not easy to do with hand, of course, but as you can see, I have take out the old nib, and now, oh no, I don't know, I don't want to lose it. So okay, and now I want to change it. So I just take in the new nib, and to set up new nib, you just need to insert it and push. Great! New nib was successfully installed. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.